happy Sunday. I just fired up Frankencider. I'm really excited. It smells quite good. It's got like an apple-y scent to it, and it's a cute label. Anyways, how are you? I woke up this morning and did my exercise routine, filmed a video for you guys that I am probably going to edit at some point today. And I also was responding to some of your comments. I always get a lot of questions, you guys, about why do certain products burn or sting. I have a video on this, but you know, there are multiple reasons why a given product might cause stinging or burning for any individual. And as a matter of fact, if you look at any study on topical medications, at least 1% of all study participants will probably report burning, stinging, irritation with topical application of products. Some people have sensitive skin. That's kind of a nebulous term anyways. What exactly is sensitive skin? But some people genuinely do have skin that's hyper irritable to things that come in contact with it. And they might actually have rosacea or the early stages of rosacea. But it might have to do with just having more of the little nerves in the skin that are just more sensitive to things that come in contact. You know, maybe the blood vessels are more hyper-responsive and vasodilate and, you know, create that sensation of warmth, tingling, etc. And the other factor, though, is your environment. Is it really dry where you are? Like, has the weather changed? Do you have the heater on? Have you been using skincare products that are exfoliating and make your skin more sensitive by taking off some of that hard, dead crust? That's a pretty common reason. And a lot of times you don't start appreciating those symptoms until several days after you've had exposure. The other thing, though, that definitely can cause sensitive skin, burning, and tingling sensation is different medications that you might be taking. And of course, everyone's favorite excuse for all problems in life, hormones can make your skin sensitive. So there are a lot of reasons. So when somebody is like, why does this product sting? There's not really an answer that I can give you. It could be multiple things. And some products are more likely to sting people who might be sensitive because the product is maybe more on the acidic side. Like vitamin C serum kind of stings a little, you know, kind of stings. It's very acidic. But many moisturizers have an acidic pH, which is good for your skin barrier. But that sensation of stinging may be related to that acidic pH. And you know, a lot of times too, people will start using a product like an alpha hydroxy acid and they're fine with it the first few times that they use it, but after a while it starts to, you know, exfoliate, and then their skin does become a little bit more sensitive, and they may not associate it with the alpha hydroxy acid because they may be like, well, I've been using that for several months now, but maybe you're using that and then you've introduced something like maybe a harsher cleanser. The other thing too that can be associated with more sensitive skin is just age-related changes in our skin barrier and our ability to keep the skin hydrated. You tend to lose more water out of the skin as you get wiser. That also can play a huge role. And your skin is also a lot more sensitive first thing in the morning because at nighttime, as your skin is repairing itself, the barrier opens up, you're more prone to water loss. So when you wake up in the morning, your skin is more likely to be dry and sensitive. That's why it's a great idea to go to bed with a thick moisturizer on your face. It can really help to kind of babysit your skin barrier. So yeah, that's what I can tell you about burning and stinging. It's not a pleasant sensation, but there are multiple reasons why you might be experiencing that. I'm rather enjoying my little fall decor here in the kitchen with I noticed when I was editing yesterday's video that my nails matched the little blue truck on my towels, but as I showed you guys last night, the polish had already started chipping after less than 24 hours of wear. And by the time I got up this morning and was doing some things, more chipped, so I had to take it off because once it starts chipping, it just looks horrible and I can't take it. But I flipped around my little pumpkin, so he's a jack-o'-lantern now. That's the little pumpkin that I got at, was it Home Goods or Marshall's or TJ Maxx? I get all of those stores confused. But yeah, I've been enjoying him. The other thing I did this morning as I was editing yesterday's video, I was like, yeah, I definitely need to do that. I raised the roof on my Aero garden because I noticed Dill was like, the roof is on fire, the roof. Oh my God, what am I even doing? I have a wrapping herb garden. I just whipped up a quick lunch, one of these Daily Harvest soups. It's the Brussels sprout tahini. Oh, this is my favorite. This last box I ordered, I got a couple of these and they're really delicious. It's like Brussels sprouts, tahini, and mushroom, really good. Here in Kroger, I bet all this is gonna be cheap as chips the day after Halloween. I don't know that people are actually doing trick-or-treating. Ooh, off-season scents are on sale. This is my favorite lemon sugar cookie, but I don't need another candle. Play-Doh teeth. Okay. Oh. Pumpkin muffins. Isn't he cute? And there's a skeleton onesie for the ultimate lazy costume. There's some Thanksgiving decor here. Thanks. I'm kind of tempted to try the Hemp's Pumpkin Spice Vanilla Chai Body Moisturizer. I don't know why. I need to walk away. Uncle Funky's daughter? What is that? Oh, it's for hair care. Boo. Well, hey guys. I just finished up on my treadmill. I'm rehydrating here with a little water with one of those Hydration Up packets that I get on iHerb. I am heating up some green beans on the stove to meal prep. I get those frozen green beans from Costco, and I like to just thaw out some of them over on the stove and then put them in a container and keep them in my fridge for the week. It's nice to have them to just like randomly put on salads or whatever, as opposed to like having to thaw them out in the middle of the week. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, does anyone else like drinking out of blender bottles? I find they're really useful for drinking water because, I don't know, the lid stays on because it's intended to stay closed enough to shake up whatever you're shaking up. And it kind of stays cold long enough. So yeah, I enjoy chugging water out of a blender bottle. But while my green beans are thawing out, I'm gonna grab myself a little bowl here because I'm gonna go harvest. I'm gonna go over to the garden and harvest some herbs. Not those kind of herbs. You know what I'm talking about. But I got this gizmo to take my clippings. You can't really see them. It's the VivoSun Precision Pruner. But I keep it in the container because the tip I want to keep clean and sharp. But anyways, let me take a little bowl with me. Yeah, this Aero garden has been amazing. I love having these, but I have to stay on top of it and clip it pretty regularly or else it just takes over. It grows so fast. Like, I don't know, let's get some thyme. just in time for the green beans. And let's do a little basil. Let's take a big bite out of basil here. Let's squat here. And let's get some, ooh, mint is really taking off now. Just got the kick in its pants it needed, I guess. Hey guys, what's up? I just got out of the shower and I'm pinning my hair up for the night. You guys know when I get out, I squeegee out the majority of the water and then I put my hair up in a t-shirt while I kind of put my skincare on, and then the very last thing I do is just kind of pin it up. And by the time I go to bed, I end up taking the clamps out. You'll see me put the clamps in now. I take the clamps out and it still kind of stays in place, and I just end up putting my sleep bonnet on over my hair. So that's kind of what I do. I have been trying out a new shampoo and conditioner. I'm still using Function of Beauty. I love that stuff. But Derma E sent me this Mambo combo of thickening shampoo and thickening conditioner. Now, I have been using these actually for several months, but I only use them intermittently. As you can see, I haven't really put much of a dent in them, but I've obviously used them enough times to be able to chat with you guys about them. They're okay. They do a good job cleaning the hair. I don't have thinning hair, but I do kind of feel like my hair has some nice volume the day after using these. They have collagen and biotin, which can kind of deposit on the hair and just sort of help add a little bit of thickness to the overall hair diameter. But for some people that can end up actually leading to a buildup that facilitates breakage. But these ingredients that I'm mentioning, they're really low on the ingredient list, so I don't think it's that much. Anyways, it definitely has fragrance in the form of some things like spearmint oil, tea tree leaf oil, and unfortunately it has menthol. You guys know I love to use scented shampoos and conditioners. I really enjoy that, but I don't like menthol and stuff. I don't like that tingle, and I just kind of find it irritating. So I don't know, it has a bit of a medicinal odor to it, which I wouldn't mind if it wasn't ascribed to just fragrance ingredients. You know, if it's gonna have fragrance, I want it to smell good. I don't want it to smell like medicine. If it's gonna smell like medicine, I don't want it to be fragrance. So I wish that they put like at least some flowery things in here to make it smell nice, or made it fragrance free without those things. But yeah, it's not, these aren't bad. The thickening shampoo and conditioner. Comment below and if you've used these before. They put bakuchiol in these. I mean, whatever. I guess bakuchiol, you know, it is an antioxidant, so I suppose that makes some sense for scalp health and, you know, having an anti-inflammatory effect. But yeah, I mean, I don't know that bakuchiol is ever really going to stay on your scalp after using a shampoo. Maybe if you lathered it there and let it sit on the skin for a while and then rinsed it off. I'm not sure. I'm just kind of thinking out loud. Sorry about that, my battery died. Anyways, I was saying these aren't bad. I kind of like them. I just wish if they're gonna have fragrance that they at least smell nicer. Oh yeah, I was talking about there's argan oil in the conditioner, which is really good for the hair. These are not bad. Oh, the conditioner also has coconut oil, another good oil for the hair. Yeah, I would say I really like the conditioner, and the shampoo is not too bad. I finished up the Time Revolution First Treatment Essence a few days ago, actually, and I'm almost done with the Artemisia Essence and the Red Algae Essence. I love these. So after I finish those, I'm gonna try the Neogen. I'm gonna start that one that I got, and I also finished the, I finished a lot of stuff recently. I finished the Aveeno Calm and Restore serum and the oat gel moisturizer. I love the oat gel moisturizer. But I think I'm gonna try also, now that I've finished the Aveeno, I'm gonna try the Ionic Beta Glucan serum to kind of take the place of the beta glucans and the oats from the amino oat serum. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll update you guys. I'll probably use it for a while before I mention it again, so don't expect an update like in 2 weeks or anything. I'll take my time with that one. I'm not too far into fall, and I've already got a lot of empties, so stay tuned for my empties video. It will come around the beginning of winter. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. I think I got some, I think I got a piece of lint in my eye. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today, and thank you for coming along. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.